I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video we're going to go over customizing the thank you page. So to customize a thank you page for your affiliate funnel, first come into Builderall Business and then Affiliate Funnels. And then you need to choose the funnel that you're going to promote and then come down to the Customize Link for Thank You page. So then you can put in your own custom link for the thank you page. And when you enter your URL and press save, it will redirect to this page instead of the default page. So you can use this for a variety of things. You could use it for fulfilling bonuses, for example, or you could turn it into a funnel where Builderall is the first product in a funnel, or you could put your own custom browser notifications or SMS on the page to collect more information about the customer who just bought through you. Whatever you use it for, it should be congruent to the offer. So if someone signs up for the webinar, for example, you should have the details of the webinar and how they can access the webinar on the page, as well as any browser notifications or any other tools that you want to add. So customizing the thank you page is as simple as building a page in the website builder and then copying the URL and clicking save. So in this video we went over customizing the thank you page.